still at calculus, looking at tangents to a curve. We are at video 3.3. Here we look at the effect of parallel lines and also perpendicular lines, right? Let's calculate the equation of the tangent to the function that is parallel to y is equal to negative 3x plus 8. If something is parallel to something else, the slope or gradient will be the same. So the tangent's gradient is known to me, will be negative 3. So now we calculate the derivative of the function, right? So the derivative, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 multiplied with negative 5 is negative 10. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 1 multiplied with negative 3 is negative 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. X to the power of 0 is 1. So here's my derivative. I know my tangent's gradient is negative 3. So I know this is equal to negative 3. Then I need to solve for x. So negative 3 will cancel out negative 3. So I'm left with 3x squared minus 10x. So the common factor is x. So that's x into 3x minus 10. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 10 over 3. Now, I've got my x value. I substitute my x value into the original function to find the corresponding y value. So if I substitute 0, I will have negative 7. If I substitute 10 over 3, I will have negative 35,52. Now when I take these two values and substitute it into the equation y is equal to mx plus c, my gradient that is negative 3, and I substitute my x that is 0, I substitute my y that is negative 7, and I get an answer of negative 7. For x being 10 over 3, I substitute x, I substitute my gradient negative 3, and I substitute my corresponding y value of negative 35,52. My c value is then negative 25,52. So my equation is y is equal to negative 3x minus 25,52, or it is y is equal to negative 3x minus 7. When this is displayed as on the graph, I must understand it was stated that the functions were parallel. It was parallel to a line that cuts at 8. So if this was the original line cutting at 8, my first line is parallel to that one, and that one has a tangent at approximately 7 there. I can see negative 3x, the gradient is negative 3x. The gradient remains negative 3x. The next point of contact will be at this point over here, but it will cut the y-axis at negative 25,52. Okay, so the line needs to remain parallel to the one whose gradient is negative 3 and cuts at positive 8. So if I draw this line down, the first tangent will be at negative 7 and the other one will be at negative 25,52.